We've been in the golf cart business here in Florida about 7 years. We were in a golf cart business in Wisconsin, northern Wisconsin, for 12 years first. We came down here mainly because the season is longer, the population is higher. You need people in order to make good business. It's got to be year-round. We were not with First National at first. We kind of bounced around a little bit. We had some money to play with, so on and so forth. But as the business grows, you need more working capital. And we looked around, any opportunity came up where we could buy the property. And we knew we had to buy the property to be successful and do what we wanted to do. People that own this property recommended First National Bank because he said, I think those people will help you whatever you need. And that's how it actually started.
So when Jerry and Joyce first came to us about buying the property that JB Golf Carts operates out of, they had some concerns about putting a lot of money down and depleting their working capital. So being a small bank, we're able to look deeper than that and find a creative solution to allow them to put less money down, retain some operating capital, and then that way when they did purchase the property, they were able to have some working capital to finish some improvements, to restock their inventory and things like that. So that's one of the benefits of working with a bank like ours, is just creative solutions for the individual borrower. We've never worked with a golf cart dealership before, and so we really took the time to get to know Jerry and Joyce and their business, circulated the loan request throughout our management team just down the road, and being local really enabled us to come out and see the property and get to know the owners on a more personal level and get to understand their business on a deeper level.
We can call the bank with a problem, and a lot of times we're not calling you up to solve it for us, but you will help us solve it. Mm-hmm. And that's big because we can't know everything in Florida, where they got much more knowledge in the banking business than we do. We did check a lot of different banks. I won't say that we just walked in and everything was there. We did check a lot of different things, and this bank was by far the best for us because it fit right into things that we did before. And then that's where First National came in. They make it a little easier for us to actually operate because we now have the working capital. Because in Florida, in the golf cart business, you never know when a good deal is going to come up. And when it comes up, you better be ready to jump on it, or the next guy's going to do it. They help us keep that on track.
Member FDIC, an equal housing lender.